How to fix WhatsApp 1 second voice message. Hello everyone, in this video I will share the solution with you. Many people suffer of this problem. Today I have the solution, so just watch this video till the end. So let's start. The first thing is to open the settings of your phone. After this you have to go now directly to apps or applications. Here you will search only for WhatsApp. Then when you find WhatsApp, just open it like this, and then you can go now to storage, go to clear data, click OK, click also on clear cache, and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And now you have to back and you have to restart your phone. After this, your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you to know. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another